Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 11X 5G. So on the front you can see the image of the phone, on this side Mi 11X, and at the back specifications of the phone are mentioned. So quickly we'll open the box. So first of all you can see this lid. Inside this lid we have SIM ejector tool and documentation like user guide. Next you get a silicone protective cover which will protect your phone from any harm. In addition, you will get USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. Here we have the Xiaomi Mi 11X 5G. It gets a 20 megapixel selfie shooting lens on the front, which promises detailed images. At the back, Xiaomi has incorporated a 48 megapixel AI triple camera setup with an Exmor RS CMOS sensor. The phone comes in cosmic black color with mirror finish. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone, and here is the 2-pin wall charger powered by a 33-watt fast charging facility. So guys, that's all you get inside the Xiaomi Mi 11X 5G box.
Xiaomi is known for its value for money smartphones, and its flagship lineup is no different either. The Xiaomi Mi 11X is one of the newest phones in the company's flagship range, and as expected it packs some pretty beefy hardware. The device offers pretty much all that one might expect from a modern flagship grade smartphone, including support for 5G connectivity. Here is a look at some of the best features of the Xiaomi Mi 11X. Performance. The Xiaomi Mi 11X is powered by a flagship grade Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC. This 7nm chipset offers better performance as compared to the Snapdragon 865. Xiaomi notes that the chip allows for 12% better CPU performance and 10% better GPU performance. This means better when it comes to gaming and other resource-intensive tasks and applications. The phone also comes with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM for a smoother experience. The phone's internal storage supports the UFS 3.1 standard for even faster speeds, 5G and Wi-Fi 6. The Xiaomi Mi 11X also supports 5G. In fact, the phone supports multiple global network bands, so it should be ready for 5G in India when telecom operators finally roll out 5G for consumers. The phone sports a 360-degree symmetrical antenna layout for good connectivity regardless of how users hold their devices. The Mi 11X also supports Wi-Fi 6, which is said to offer an improvement of 270% over Wi-Fi 5 standard and a maximum throughput of 1.7 Gbps. Battery. The phone also packs a large 4520 mAh battery, which is just what you need if you love consuming content on your smartphone. The company claims that this is enough to offer 11 hours of gaming, 21 hours of full HD video playback, or 61 hours of music playback on a single charge. To ensure users don't have to wait a very long time to charge the device, the phone offers 33-watt fast charging. Xiaomi notes that this is enough to charge the phone back up to 100% in 53 minutes. Display. The Xiaomi Mi 11X packs a large 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a full HD resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. This large display makes it a very good option for binge watching and gaming, as the large screen allows for a more immersive experience. Adding to this is the fact that the display supports HDR10+ and covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. As if that wasn't enough, the phone also offers a 120Hz refresh rate that allows for smoother scrolling and transition animations. Camera. At the back of the phone is a triple rear camera setup with a 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel configuration. The 48 megapixel unit is the primary camera and offers an aperture of f1.79. The 8 megapixel sensor sports an ultra-wide lens with a field of view of 119 degrees. The 5 megapixel unit sports a macro lens with an autofocus range of 3 cm to 7 cm. In terms of selfies and video chatting, the phone offers a 20 megapixel camera that is located inside a notch on the display. So that was a quick look at the top 5 features offered by the Xiaomi Mi 11X. Thanks for watching.